Good morning, Year 5. Today in Maths, we're just going to do a quick recap of column addition and subtraction using decimals, as that's what we've been looking at. So when you add a number, always put it in the correct columns like we have been doing, and make sure that you always start with the lowest number first. So here, in which case, it's my thousands. So I'm going to add them. Remember, look here for the symbol. Make sure that you don't mix up add and take away. 4 add 7 is 11. So 1 goes there from the 11. I'm going to carry my 10 because it's 11,000th, which is 100th and 1,000th. 100 add 800, so that's 1 add 8 is 9. Add 1 here, don't forget to add the one that you've carried, is 10. So I'm going to put my 0 here, carry my 1. 7 add 0 is 7, add the 1, 8, decimal points. 4 add 2, 6. So my answer, 4.714 add 2.087 equals 6.801. Okay, I'd like you to have a go at this one on a scrap piece of paper, or if you've got a whiteboard and whiteboard pen, use that. Pause your video now and press play when you're ready to find out the answer. 3.593 add 10.7. Okay, so there are no numbers in here, so we can just put zeros in there. 3 add 0, 3. 9 add 0, 9. 5 add 7, 12. 2 goes there. Decimal point, don't forget it. Carry the 1 from the 10. 3 add 0, add 1 is 4. And then we've got nothing there, so it's just 0 add 1 for my 10. My answer, you should have got 14.293. Well done if you got that one correct. Okay, so column subtraction is the one that you find trickier, and it's the harder one, to be fair. So just to remember, just a little reminder then, 110, remember, would be equal to 10 ones. And then 1 would be equal to 10 tenths, and so on. And that knowledge is really going to help you when you're doing your exchanging and column subtraction. Okay, let's have a look at our first example. So 4.138 subtract 1.052. So we're starting with this column, our smallest column, which are our thousandths. 8 subtract 2 is 6. 3 subtract 5. So if I had 3 counters and I tried to cross out 5, 1, 2, 3, I can't. So we're going to have to borrow. So when we're borrowing, we look to the next column to the left. So I'm going to look at this one, and there's 1/10 in there. So I'm going to borrow from that. 1/10, like I've just shown you, is equal to 10 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to take away that 10. So that's now 0, and that 10 is going to come here. So I've got 13 because I've got the 10 that I took and the 3 that's still there. That's why I've got 13 hundredths in that column. So now I can do that. 13 take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 take away 0 is 0. Decimal point. And then 4 take away 1 is 3. 3.086. Okay, 3.205 subtract 1.731. I'd like you to have a go at this one, please, and press play when you're ready to find out the answer. Pause your video now. Okay, 5 subtract 1 is 4. 0 subtract 3. So I need to go into this column and borrow. Just need to borrow 1/10. So borrowing that 1/10, which is equal to 10 hundredths. So I'm just going to put that there. So 10 take away 3 is 7. I can do that now. 1 take away 7, need to borrow again. So I'm going to go over to this column this time, in the ones column. Cross that out, change that to a 2. I'm just borrowing a 1. Then moving that 1 here. So now I've got 11 tenths. 11/10 subtract 7 is 4. Decimal point, 2 take away 1 is 1. Answer 1.474. Well done if you got that one correct. So your task today is to practice column addition and subtraction with decimals, and then tomorrow we'll be looking at solving problems involving addition and subtraction. As always, give me a message if you need, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.